Master the names of amazing animals and birds starting with letter R in this video. Let's get started. Rabbit. Rabbit. Robin. Robin. Raccoon. Raccoon. Ram. Ram. Rooster. Rooster. Rattlesnake. Rattlesnake. Raven. Raven. Red panda. Red panda. Radiated tortoise. Radiated tortoise. Rat. Rat. Red tail lemur. Red tail lemur. Red fox. Red fox. Rainbow lorikeet. Rainbow lorikeet. Reticulated python. Reticulated python. Rough-legged hawk. Rough-legged hawk. Red-bellied newt. Red-bellied newt. Rockfish. Rockfish. Roadrunner. Roadrunner. Roseate spoonbill. Roseate spoonbill. Rat terrier. Rat terrier. Red-eye tree frog. Red-eye tree frog. Rottweiler. Rottweiler. Red Shanked Douc. Red Shanked Douc. Rocky Mountain elk. Rocky Mountain elk. Redback jumping spider. Redback jumping spider. Red British squirrel. Red British squirrel. Red-bellied woodpecker. Red-bellied woodpecker. Rainbow shark. Rainbow shark. Rubber boa. Rubber boa. Ruffed grouse. Ruffed grouse. Rothschild giraffe. Rothschild giraffe. Red river hog. Red river hog. Red-tailed black cockatoo. Red-tailed black cockatoo. Ringed seal. Ringed seal. Rainbow beeeater. Rainbow beeeater. Rayon antelope. Rayon antelope. Rusty cat. Rusty cat. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel, Infozillien.